But oh my god, this body kit, I don't think I could be any happier. So we're back. I took a 3-week break, but we're back here now, and I have fitted my lights. I say my lights, my fog lights to my bumper, and I think it looks very good. They fit very nice. Look at this. That is going to look sick on the car. And today we are trying to get the front bumper mounted and the side skirts so that we can see what the body kit looks like entirely. We're going to have to move this Lexus. This Lexus is very cool. This is a fully built 2JZ that is ready for about 700 horsepower, but obviously no turbo just yet, because the turbo manifold that he got given originally, ordered, doesn't quite fit for some reason, so he's waiting on that, and he's just going to run it in without a turbo on. But that is going to be a very cool car, and I'm going to see if I can get a video on that once it's done, because that is going to be absolutely insane. Like, the size of the turbo on that thing is mental. The first step of mounting the front bumper is to cut the front valance. And unbolt the bottom half. I'll show you right now. Hold on. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I am going to cut the front valance along this body line here to make room for that to slide on. And I've also found the other bolt for this, because this was mounted on one bolt, so I'll get that mounted with two, and that should make it a lot more sturdy and hopefully work. This is the original bumper bolt. That's the new one I found. I'm going to trim it down to there where I've marked, so it's the same length, and then that should be ready to go. So I've now got the bumper off, everything's ready. One of the side, the slide and mount holders for the bumper, as you can see, is damaged. So what I've done is I've messaged a breaker to get one of these bits, but I can still mount the bumper because one of the top bolts still works on this, so I can test fit it and it'll be absolutely fine. Now, yeah, like I said, now that I've got these off, these basically sit like that. I mean, this one's the other side one, but they sit like that. I've got them off, and I've got the trim pieces off here. I'm now going to just cut along this body line all the way. I'm leaving these bolts in for now because they will hold that in and stop it from bending and stuff while I'm cutting. But I'll set the tripod up and get that cut. Something is with the air pressure and it's not spinning up fast enough to cut, so let me try sort it out. Okay, I've managed to get the air pressure going, so like I said before, time to cut. I'll be back once it's done. Right, so got that cut. I recorded for like 15 minutes straight then because I thought I stopped it, but I didn't. Basically, I've got that cut now, exactly where I want it. Now it's just these 2 bolts. I had to cut that bit out because it was easier to get in from behind, and then I wasn't getting sprayed with sparks. But I've got that cut now. What I'm going to do is, before I tidy up that edge and spray it with primer, I'm going to try test fit it and see if the bumper goes on or if I need to trim any more. So give me 2 seconds, I'll get that off and then I'll check back in. The bumper is on. I think it looks fucking sick. I shouldn't swear. I think it looks sick. I cannot wait to see this on the floor, but I'm not going to put it on the floor until I put the side skirts on, so that we can get the full effect. But have a look at this. The fitment of it isn't perfect, but I can figure that out with mounting it on the actual bumper properly and stuff. But with the fog lights in on both sides, that looks so good. I'm so beyond happy with that, and it don't even make me feel bad for cutting a brand new valance up, because that is mint. So, it's just fell down. That is going to look so good. I've got one side skirt on, but it's just falling down. It's just with some double-sided tape. I think it's number plate tape that I used. But that looks so good. It needs to be lower. It needs to be much lower, like a good 2.5, 3 inches. But oh my god, this body kit! I don't think I could be any happier. Like from here, that body kit looks so good. This car is going to be so sick. I can't wait to drop it. I can't wait to drop it. So I am sat in the car, and I don't drive it a lot because it's parked maybe 50 meters away from the workshop, but I put it in and out every time I come to get it out of the way. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to have this car back and be driving it, because I absolutely adore this car. I don't know what it is about it, but I'm so excited for this car to be done, especially with the front and rear bumpers on now, and the side skirts I'll get mounted soon, like mounted, so that it's drivable. They'll get mounted properly when it's painted and everything, obviously. But I'm so hyped for this car, man. I've got loads of parts here in the car. The side skirts are currently laying in there. The whole footwell is packed full of bits. Rear window louvers, they're all the arches and stuff. Now that the body kit's fitted, like everything that needs to be done is done in terms of the body kit. I have no excuse but to start tearing the interior out and doing the arches and the roof. The main issue that I've noticed when editing the videos is that I have been severely overestimating how much I can get done in a day, which I'm getting better at now. I did manage to get basically everything that I wanted to do done today, but I need to realise it's going to take me a lot longer than I think it would do. For example, like the first episode, I thought I was going to get so much done, but obviously I only cut the floor out in the boot. The second video is a bit similar, but I did end up getting that done. I finished the floor in that video, as you would have seen. But yeah, I'm so excited for this car. Like, even though the engine swap's not happened for a long time, because I want to get the car chassis sorted and then drive it, just absolutely drive the hell out of it until it probably blows up, because M42s are known for blowing up when going sideways and limiter bashing, but I can't wait to be driving this car again. This car is just, it feels like me, and I'm currently driving a Yaris, which is very much not me. I can't deal with that much longer, I don't think. But yeah, that wraps up today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Peace.